Hey everyone, welcome back to Unlocked English Fluency. I'm Maurice, and right here with me is Sarah, my wonderful co-host and friend. Today we're just going to chat about something that touches almost everyone at some point, talking about finding a job. Honestly, being able to speak comfortably about looking for work, it really matters in real life. It opens doors, helps you connect with people, and makes your English speaking feel more natural and confident. So yeah, let's just talk about it slowly, like we're hanging out. No pressure.
Hey Maurice, hey everyone watching with us. I already feel this topic in my heart. Finding a job, it can bring so many emotions, right? Excitement, worry, hope, all mixed together. I still remember when I was searching after college. My stomach would flip every time I thought about it. What about you, Maurice? Did job hunting ever make your heart race like that?
Oh yeah, completely. A while back, I moved cities and had to start from zero. I kept telling myself, okay, I need to find a job that actually fits me. Not just any work, but something meaningful. Talking about it with close friends really helped calm the nerves. Just saying the words out loud, it made everything feel a little less heavy.
That makes so much sense. Saying it out loud changes the energy. When I was looking, I started telling people simply, I'm looking for a job in design these days. And suddenly, conversations opened up. Someone would say, oh, my friend's company is hiring. Or, have you checked this app? It made me feel supported instead of alone.
Exactly, Sarah. That feeling of support is huge. I remember telling my brother, I'm trying to find something stable right now. And he listened, gave advice, even checked job sites for me. Just being honest about where I was at, it brought us closer. And honestly, it helped my English communication feel smoother too.
Yeah, honesty creates connection. I used to practice in front of my mirror saying things like, I'm interested in this role because I love creativity. It felt awkward at first, but after a while it rolled off my tongue naturally. Then when I said it to real people, it didn't feel scary anymore. Did you have any phrases that you repeated a lot back then, Maurice?
Yeah, a few. I often said, I'm currently looking for job opportunities in education, or I'm open to new positions at the moment. And the one that worked best, do you know anyone who's hiring? People really respond to that gentle ask. It improved my English speaking without me even trying hard.
Right, that gentle way makes all the difference. If you sound too urgent, it can feel tense, but something soft like, hey, I'm exploring new job options lately. Any thoughts? Invites people in. I told a colleague once, I'm hoping to find a job with more flexible hours, and she shared her own story. We ended up swapping tips for half an hour.
That's beautiful. Sharing like that turns it into real friendship. I also liked saying, I'm actively searching for a role where I can learn and grow. It sounded positive, serious, but not desperate. And using these sentences in everyday chats really built my English fluency step by step. I could feel the difference.
It does build quietly like that. I used to struggle with vocabulary, but repeating, I'm applying for jobs. I have an interview next week. I'm still looking, but staying hopeful. Those words became comfortable. And adding feelings, too. I'm a little nervous about the interview. That made conversations warmer and helped my English listening, too, because I paid attention to how others replied.
Totally. Sharing the real feelings deepens everything. Once I told a friend, finding a job is taking longer than I expected. Sometimes I feel discouraged. And he opened up about his own tough search. We motivated each other for weeks after that. That kind of honest talk, it's gold for improving communication and confidence.
Aw, I love hearing that. It's not just words, it's being heard and understood. When I was job hunting, I told my mom, I really want a job where I feel appreciated. Saying it helped me realize what mattered most to me. Have you had a moment where just talking about it shifted how you felt inside, Maurice?
Many times, honestly. There was a stretch where I kept repeating to myself and others, I'm still looking, but I'm keeping hope alive. That small positive sentence lifted my mood every day. And when I finally got the job telling people I just accepted an offer, the joy was so real. Sharing both the lows and highs makes English practice feel alive and emotional.
Yes, alive is the perfect word. It stops being study and becomes part of your actual life. That's why this topic helps beginners so much. You can naturally practice, I'm looking for a job in, or I'm excited about this position because, with friends or even family, little by little your confidence grows. I can feel mine growing just chatting with you now.
Same here, Sarah. It's so nice when it feels this relaxed. Should we do a quick pretend chat? Like I'm your old friend who just arrived in town. You go first.
Sure, let's do it. Hey, Maurice. Wow, it's been ages. How are you finding the new city so far?
Hey, Sarah. Yeah, it's exciting, but a bit overwhelming, too. Honestly, I'm looking for a job at the moment, hoping for something in video editing if I can find it.
Oh, that's cool. Video editing sounds fun. Are you looking full-time or open to freelance too?
Kind of both, actually. I've sent some applications already. It's taking a while, but I'm trying to stay patient and positive.
I hear you. Patience is hard sometimes. Have you talked to anyone in the industry? I know a couple people who might have leads.
Really? That would mean a lot. Yeah, I've been reaching out slowly. Last week, I told someone, I'm currently searching for new opportunities.
See, you said it so naturally. Maybe add, I'm passionate about storytelling through video. That shows your heart.
I like that. I'm passionate about, feels true to me. Thanks for the nudge, Sarah. Chatting like this really takes the fear away.
Of course, that's what friends do. And for everyone watching, if you're in the middle of a job search or thinking about one, try saying a few of these things out loud to a mirror, to a friend, to us in the comments. It helps your English speaking become smoother and more confident.
Yeah, and it helps you feel more in control, too. Every time you practice talking about finding a job, your listening sharpens because you notice how others respond and support you.
Exactly. We used so many natural phrases today without forcing it, like, I'm looking for a job right now. I'm applying right now. I'm open to opportunities. I'm feeling hopeful this week. They just came up because we were being real.
And we shared real stories, too. That's what makes things stick. So if you're watching and you've gone through this, or you're going through it now, know that you're not the only one. We've all felt those butterflies.
And it does get easier. Every conversation in English about real life makes your fluency stronger. Don't be shy to share how you feel, like, I'm a bit anxious about this, or I'm really motivated today. I'm searching for something better. Those words matter.
So maybe after this, take one small moment. Say a sentence about your own situation. Something easy, like, right now I'm trying to find a job in, or I dream of working in, whatever feels true.
Yes, and if you want, drop it in the comments. We read every one, and it makes us so happy to see your practice. Share your examples, your wins, even the tough days. It builds a little community here.
It really does. And if this chat felt good to you, maybe give the video a like. It helps us so much to keep creating these relaxed talks for you. If you're new, consider subscribing and pressing the bell so the next one comes right to you.
We love having you here. It honestly feels like friends sitting together, talking about life, growing our English side by side. Thank you for being with us today.
Thank you from my heart. Keep speaking, keep feeling, keep going. We'll be right here next time. Take care, okay?
Take care, everyone. Speak soon.